Hello dear children. In this class we are going to study liters and milliliters. What are these liters and milliliters? These are the measurements of liquid. Liquid means it may be of any water, oil, juice, anything it will come under liquids. Liquids are generally measured in liters and milliliters. See, solid things, solid means it may be brinjal, vegetables, or it may be what we can say grocery things. Those all are measured in kg and grams. Liquids are generally measured in liters and milliliters. We get oil pouches, bottles and cold drinks in liters. Oil pouches means 1 kg oil packet you will get, that is called pouches. Okay, bottles and cold drinks are in liters. To change liters and milliliters, we multiply liter by 1000. Why? See, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is nothing but 1000 milliliters. So if you want to convert 1 liters to milliliters, you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, the standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. Capacity is nothing but liquids. Whatever the liquids are there, that capacity is measured in terms of liter. Okay, the short form of liter we can be written in small l, and milliliter can be written m and l. Here they have written ml. The standard measures of capacity are 50 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, 50 ml oil some they will purchase, 100 ml oil, 200 ml, 500 ml means half liter, and 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml. 1 liter is nothing but 1000 milliliter. Okay, this is 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter. Scan will be there, and these measuring cones will also be there. Now convert the liters into milliliter. 1 liter is equals to how many milliliter? 1 liter is nothing but 1000 milliliter. Then 2 liter is 2 into 1000, it will be 2000 milliliter. 9 liter is nothing but 9000. Why? Because 9 into 1000. 6 liter is 6 into 1000, so it will become 6000 milliliter. 18 liter is equals to 18 into 1000. So don't write 1800, it should be 18,000 milliliter. 25,000 milliliter. Here 20 liter is nothing but 20,000 milliliter. You have to easily, you can remember, there are 3 units you have studied now. Okay, first one you have studied 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Meter to 100 meter to centimeter conversion you have to multiply it by 100. Okay, next you have studied 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams you have studied. So if you want to convert grams to kg, so you have to, kg to gram, you have to multiply by 1000. Now you are studying 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So here you have to multiply by 1000 to convert liters to milliliter. So kg to gram, liters to milliliter, both are 1000 you have to multiply to convert higher units to lower units. Here meter to centimeter you have to multiply, only meter to centimeter conversion you have to multiply by 100. So it is very easy to understand, okay, and easy to remember also. Now 35 liter is equals to 35,000 milliliter. 49, the same you can do. Okay. Now we will move on to the next addition and subtraction of milliliters and meters. See, if you want to arrange the same way, 5 milliliter if you want to write means you have to write in a milliliter column 005 you have to write. You should not write directly 500. If they mention 5 milliliter means 5 milliliter is nothing but 005 milliliter. Okay, 5 milliliter, 999 milliliter means 999 means 999. If it is 90 milliliter, if they give means 90 milliliter, you have to write 090 milliliter. In under milliliter column, you have to write 090. You should not write 9 900 milliliter. Then what is the difference between 90 ml and 900 ml? So 900 ml is there means you have to write 900. 90 is there means you should not write 900. Then it will not make a difference of 90 and 900. You should be very careful that time. If addition and subtraction is given means already if like this directly given means it is very easy. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 liter 751 milliliter. If subtraction is there means 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 8 minus 3 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5. 51 liter 511 milliliter. Again one more subtraction you see. 4 minus 8 you can't do, so you have to borrow from this number. It will become 2 and it will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 2 minus 4 you can't do, you have to borrow from 7. It will become 6, it will become 12. 12 minus 4 is, see you can't see clearly these numbers, so you can understand what I am saying. 3. Now 2 is there. 2 has borrowed from 7. So 7, 1 if it is given to tens place means, so it will become 6. It has become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. It will become 4 liter 586 milliliter. Now addition you see. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6. So it has become 60 liter 620 milliliter. So this is how we have to do addition and subtraction. If they give in a sentence wise, I hope you can write this one because already you have studied meter, centimeter and kg, gram. If they give like this, how we have written in a column wise, I have told already. This also very easy. You can do this one, I know. You can do this problems. It is your homework. I hope it is clear. Thank you.